Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair fell 1.2% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Major oil-producing countries, led by Saudi Arabia and Russia, look set to maintain their current output levels at a meeting ahead of fresh sanctions against Moscow coming into force. The EU will adapt its state aid rules to prevent an exodus of investment triggered by a new US green energy subsidy package, the bloc's chief executive said. India's foreign exchange reserves during the week that ended on November the 25th rose by $2.8 million to $550.14 billion, the Reserve Bank of India data showed. This is the third consecutive week of rising reserves.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The US factory orders at 1500 hours GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 0000 hours GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales will be released at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's overall household spending at 2330 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.